Part 4, conditional statement if. Number 1 is bus fare system. The program calculates the bus fare based on the passenger age and the travel zone. A base fare is chosen depending on the zone. Then, children under 5 ride is free. Ages 6 to 18 get 50% discount. Seniors and above 60 get 30% discount. Regular adult pay full fare. Number 2 is GPA to letter grade converter. Um, this program converts the entered GPA score into its equivalent letter grade. It uses a series of conditional checks to determine the correct grade range and print the corresponding letter. Number 3 is ATM withdrawal validator. This program converts the entered GPA score into its equivalent letter grade. It uses a series of conditional checks to determine the correct grade range and print the corresponding letter. Okay, next is the part 5 conditional statements. Number 1 is copy ordering system. This program uses a match key structure to determine the price of chosen drink. If the orders is valid, it adds 5 pesos for the takeout request. Otherwise, it notifies the user that the item is unavailable. Number 2 is grade remarks with match. This code checks the entered letter grade using a match case and display the correct remark. If a grade does not match any valid category, it prints an invalid grade message. Currency converter. This program converts a specified currency into Philippine peso using the predefined rates. If the currency code is not recognized, it informs the user that the input is invalid.